How to put the same song on the multiple Instagram stories. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can put the same song on your different stories of Instagram. So the very first step is to go on the Google Play Store and then install the latest version of Instagram so that you won't miss out any new features. After opening the Instagram, you can just log into your respective device and then go to the story section, which is on the top left side. So I chose this photo right here for my story. I can zoom it or keep it however I want it to. Now to add some music, I just tap on the music option right there. So if I want to put this song, let's just mute the music for now. And so if I want to put this music from the first, then I'll just skip it from here and tap on the done option, and then I will post my story just like this. Now to put the same story, I will again tap any of the videos or anything, any photos that I want to post, then go on the music option, then again tap on this very song that I want to put, and then select the same part of the song that I want to use. So again tap on the done option and tap my story, and then it will be posted on my story just like that. So this is how you can use the same song on your Instagram story. You can even save the audio and then select the music afterwards. And just like this, you can select the same music for different stories on your Instagram. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.